In my previous video, I explained about the factorization of algebraic expression, and in this video, I am starting next chapter, that is polynomials. So, example is fx equals to 4x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 7. So, there are 4 terms in this polynomial. So, terms are 4x cube minus 2x square minus x and 7. Coefficient of x cube is 4. Coefficient of x square is minus 2. Coefficient of x is minus 1. Now next term we have to understand is degree. So degree is exponent of highest degree term is called degree of the polynomial. Means in this polynomial, degree of the polynomial is 3. If I take another example, 2x square minus 7 minus 3. So degree of this polynomial will be 2, because coefficient of means exponent of highest degree is 2 here. So degree of this polynomial will be 2. So here degree is 2. Now constant means where degree is 0, means constant term of this polynomial is 7. So constant is 7 here. Now there are many types of polynomials, means linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. So first one is linear polynomial, where highest degree is 1. Highest degree is 1. Second is quadratic polynomial. In quadratic polynomial, highest degree is 2. For an example, 4x square minus 2x plus 5. So, in quadratic polynomial, highest degree of the polynomial is 2. Now, third is cubic polynomial. So, in cubic polynomial, highest degree of polynomial is 3. And fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. So in biquadratic polynomial, highest degree is 4. Means example will be 2x power 4 minus 7x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 7. So this is biquadratic polynomial. So now these are examples of polynomials and which are non-polynomials. So fx equals to 4x square minus 2x minus 5. This is polynomial. Gx equals to 2x cube minus 9x square minus 10. It is also polynomial. Now hx equals to x square plus 1 upon x. It is not a polynomial. Fx equals to 2x square minus 2 root x plus 1. It is also not a polynomial. Now gx equals to 3 root x plus 2 root x. It is also not a polynomial. Now I think you understood which one is polynomial and which is not polynomial. Now questions based on polynomials. Now if fx equals to 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12, find f 2, -1 and 0. Means we have to substitute value of x in this question. So now equals to 2 to the power 3. Just now I told to substitute the value of x. Value of x I am putting here 2. So 2x cube minus 13 2 square plus 17 into 2 plus 12. So it will become 16 minus 52 plus 34 plus 12. So our answer will be 10. So when we substitute x by 2, our answer is 10. Now we will substitute it by minus 1. So if we substitute it by minus 1, so 2 into minus 1 cube minus 13 minus 1 square plus 17 into minus 1 plus 12. So it will be minus 2 minus 13 minus 17 plus 12. So our answer is minus 20. Minus 15 minus 17 plus 12. So yes, it's minus 20. Now next, if we substitute by putting value of x 0, it was our next answer. Now we are substituting x as 0. So 2 0 power cube minus 13 0 square plus 17 into 0 plus 12. So all these terms will become 0 and our answer will be 12. So it's our answer.